You a cheating little girl.
Nuh-uh.
Who you had an attitude with?
First of all, put on your listening ears and shut up.
You a liar.
No, I'm not. And this is how you do the hen thing. Yeah, I went there.
Got tooed. Attitude.
She said, yeah, I went there.
And when you say that, you gotta go.
Yeah, so I can fall off the chair, right?
Now, so you can fall off the chair and I can break a bone. By dancing.
Dance.
I can't even dance.
I got bitched out by a 5-year-old.
She said, okay, first of all, put on your listening ears and just shut up.
Yeah. Jerks like you.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Who you called a jerk, you little conniving little sneak?
Oh, I'm not a sneak, okay?
You ain't a
I'm
sneak.
not a sneak anything.
Then what are you? Cheater? Cheater, cheater, pumpkin eater.
Yeah,
Cheater,
cheater.
liar, pants.
What?
It's a
Liar, liar, pants on fire. For that too. Alright, I'm gonna beat your butt in this